Struggling with bulky, heavy workbenches that are hard to move? Tired of cramped workspaces and unstable surfaces during projects? Wasting time searching for clamps, rulers, or missing tools? Need a versatile table that adapts to different project sizes? Introducing the Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table. Lightweight at only 30 kilobs, it's easy to carry anywhere. Folds compactly for storage, freeing up valuable garage space. Transforms instantly from a sturdy workbench to a powerful sawhorse. Supports up to 300 ushabis as a table, 1,000 pawigis as a sawhorse. Integrated quick clamps and clamp dogs secure any project tightly. Built-in measuring guide eliminates the need for extra tools. Expandable design connects with other Worx tables for more workspace. Perfect for woodworking, painting, repairs, or any DIY task. Enjoy organized, efficient, and flexible work everywhere you go. Upgrade your workspace with Pegasus, portable, reliable, and built to last.